welcome to Easy Learn. This is Usha. Let's start today's class with a quote. Education is teaching our children to desire right things by Plato. Let us see fifth question, which we have to factorize. In that, first bit is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy plus minus 24yz minus 16xy xz, right? Now 4 is perfect number, perfect square. So we can write it as 2 square, right? That means 2 square x square will become 2x whole square. In the same way, we can write 3y square also 3y whole square. Yes or not? The value will not change. 16 also 4 square. 4 square z square means 4z whole square. Clear? Now, what we got in the place of here, if you observe in the question, wherever we got z, we got minus before that term, right? So, in the place of z, 4z, we have to take minus. Clear? Now, 2 into what is there in the place of a? 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y minus 4z plus 2 into minus 4z into 2x. Clear? Now if you observe 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. We got it or not? Yes, x into y, xy. Here first 3 terms if you observe, we'll get a, b, c values. Okay, how we got the sign minus here? By seeing these 2 terms. Here what is a common term in these 2 terms? Z. Wherever z we got, there we are getting minus. So minus 4z whole square. Whole square means value will not change, right? That means sign will not change. It will be plus only. Plus 16 z square only will get or not? Yes. In that way we have taken. Clear? Now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Clear? Now what is there in the place of given question is in this form. We have to write in this form. That means is equal to what is there in the place of a? 2x. By saying here we can say what is there in the place of b? 3y. What is there in the place of c? Minus 4z whole square. That means here we can write therefore 4x square plus 9y square plus 16 z square plus 12 xy minus 24 yz minus 16 xz equal to, here whole square, right, we can write as product of two factors. So 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y 2 times. Same base with plus 3x minus 4z. Is this clear? Let's see the second bit. Here 2. First 3 terms we have to write in whole square form. To write 2 as whole square of something, so first we will check 2 can be written as which numbers whole square. 2 we can write it as root 2 into root 2. That means root 2 whole square we can write. Yes or not? Root 2 whole square x square can be written as root 2 x whole square we can write. Plus y square means y whole square plus 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. That means this can be written as 2 into 2 into 1 root 1 2 we can write whole square form we want, right? So root 2 into root 2 I am taking in the place of this 2. Clear? Now this can be written as 2 root 2 whole square I can write, right? 2 root 2 whole square. Yes? 2 root 2 whole square z square means 2 root 2 z whole square. Yes? Here if you observe these terms, wherever x is there, we got the minus sign. So, for the first term, we will get minus. Okay, for x term, we will get minus. So, plus 2 into root 2 minus root 2x into y plus 2 into y into 2 root 2 z plus 2 into minus 2 root 2 root 2x into 2 root 2 z. Yes? Yes. Now, it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. We can write it as a plus b plus c whole square. Clear? Now, minus 2 root 2x whole square plus y square plus 2 root 2 z whole square plus 2 into minus 2 root 2x into y plus 2 into y into 2 root 2 z plus 2 into 2 root 2 z into minus root 2 x is equal to, so what is there in the place of a? Minus root 2 x, or we will write here down, equal to minus root 2 x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square, right? That means whole square can be written as root 2x minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z into minus 2 root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the regular updates of my classes.